I have to get up now. It's 6 o'clock. I couldn't sleep properly. Yesterday I was telling that I sleep so well every day, but today I'm like, because I have to get up and go get vaccinated. Let's start. Feels like I'm going to work. It's been so long that I looked at my cupboard and checked what to wear. I think I should wear something, short sleeve so that you can just lift it up and they can poke me. And jeans. Should I iron it? I don't know. I should. So the thing that I was drinking right now was I soaked raisins in kesar in the night, and this is the first thing I get into my stomach. So basically this is good for period pains. I've been taking this since 3-4 months. I actually only take it like 10 days before it starts, so I don't know, I can't say much if it has reduced because I just can't be without taking tablets. So let's see, but I still keep taking it because it takes time. And then I wait for some time and drink my lemon water. Till then I'll go iron my shirt. Getting lifted. I'm not damn. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a light makeup. I already did my skincare. Where is my primer? So I'm taking this one from Colorbar. Just places where I get oily. Since I'm tanned, I will go with the Maybelline Cafe. Should I put a corrector? I think I should, because I just can't deal with my pigmentation right now. I should be fast because I have to eat also. No? I might just faint looking at the injection. Just a little bit concealer brush. Yeah. And then I'll do a little bit of eyebrows. Maybe I'll just do my eyelids. Some mascara. The good thing is I already soaked my oats and kept it ready. I mean last night. It's in the fridge, I just have to heat it. I put the lipstick after I eat. I don't like to comb my hair because then again the frizz gets back. So I'll just do it with my fingers. Like this. I know there's a lot of white hair behind because I just can't reach them and haven't been coloring my hair outside. So what I do is with the warmth in my palms, I just curl it like this. Curl in the sense just twist it so that the frizz goes away. So I'm gonna put this one because I think it'll match my dress. This is like a kind of a dusky mauve, I would say. All my shoes are worn out and I have nothing to wear. Water check. Got my mask, keys, my wallet. I have to check my ID card now. My Aadhaar card is there. It's gonna be a long ride, but let's just go. I reached finally. I think it took me about 50 minutes. 50. I am nervous and anxious. So vaccine is done. Now I'm just waiting for 30 minutes for observation. So these are the seating area. Yay! I finally finished. I'm going back home. I don't feel anything. Nothing. She just pricked me like that and it was over. Hopefully there's not much traffic now. I met a friend and we were just chatting. So 30 minutes was over. So I did some shopping on the road, like a roadside shopping. Because I was too excited coming out and feeling so liberating. So I bought some mangoes, some dragon fruit, and this lovely pot and this grinder, to grind my ginger for my ginger tea. I'm thinking of buying a plant here, but nobody's even interested in showing to me. They're like, what will this girl want plants? I have to put something in that. Or maybe I'll just take one of my mom's plants. I am back home, vaccinated. Look at how long my hair has grown. Remember the last time I cut it myself? It's grown so much now. One day if I get mad, no, I'll just, maybe cut it like this short. Want to see my vaccine? Yeah, I think it's this one. What I'm gonna do now, put my clothes for washing and go top and chat a bit. I'm supposed to have plenty of fluids, so I'm thinking I should be finishing all these 4 bottles today. I'm just lazing around. I don't feel anything. I don't even feel pain here, but maybe tomorrow, let's see. And yeah, I'm just editing the makeup video. I think I should put up this video first and then I'll put that. I fell asleep. This room is echoing. This is the second bedroom actually, which has almost nothing. My old bed is there here. And I didn't want to dirty my bed with the makeup and also I thought I'll dirty this bed. I mean, yeah, nobody uses it. I just kept it. Sometimes I feel, do I really deserve such a big house? And then I'm like, bloody hell, yes, I deserve it. Because I put in so much effort to get each and every bit of this house done. Oh my god, too much investment of time and money, of course. But anyways, let's just be happy that you have a house, Daisy. That's all. What else? I went to have lunch after that. I was watching Gilmore Girls and then I fell asleep. I thought maybe, rest it a bit because driving. I didn't want to wash my face because in the evening I thought I'll do some nice spa. I am thinking I can also use this room for filming, but it's kind of echoing. I don't know. There's this nice window here. A bunch of light comes and then there's trees and all behind so nobody can see, but then there's nothing behind here, like there's no background. But then I can use my old style of putting the backdrop on this bed here and then I can use that one. You can set it up here because I feel like the master bedroom I want to use it only for sleeping and not put too much of equipment there because it gets too messy. But I like the background there, right? Don't you think so? Like that grey and pink. I could do something here also. Decorate it a bit. So it's evening snack. So sweet. It's almost like sugar. You know the ones which you get at the highway, those small vendors, is the place where you have to buy fruits. Whenever I pass there, I always stop to buy fruits there. It's just melting in my mouth. I can eat fruits all day. When I had that rash in my eye, on my eye, I actually thought it could be mango also because you could get skin allergies eating mangoes also. But then I thought, let me just eat every day and see what happens. I started eating and touch wood, nothing happened. I feel like now it's looking better. Like all the white on top and all the little bit of black and white. That golden is somehow not. I have to like get this painted grey also. Look at how these monkeys bang the door. Why?
Because I don't like Toffee.
What happened?
Because I wanted to get my coat.
Do you want to eat bread?
No.
What you want to eat?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, okay. Okay, I'm making some lemongrass tea with some bread because I'm hungry. I feel like eating some carbs. Rasha, my toast got burnt.
I want a toast.
You want a toast? Just now you told you don't want, no? You want or not? Yeah, but scrambled egg or what egg?
Normal egg.
Normal egg. So I wait for it to, get that light green. Then I like switch it off. This is anda and my burnt toast, which I'll scrape off the burnt part. After. Better, right? Actually, I'm gonna eat with this chutney which I made, okay? So I just washed my face, removed all the makeup using the baby oil. So yeah, now I'm going to scrub my face. I'm taking this one from Juicy Chemistry and gently massage. And then I'll just wash it off because I'm feeling too lazy to wait for some time. I'm going to use this one from Dot & Key. That's it. I'll leave it until it dries.